This tiny beast flashes like lightning. Flashpoint eVOLV 200 Pro TTL is kinda insane. Ever felt like your photography hits a creative wall just because your gear won't keep up? Yeah, us too. You're mid-shoot, the light's perfect, but your flash is still recycling, or worse, totally dead. And lugging a studio strobe outdoors? Don't even start. It's a nightmare of tangled cords, dead triggers, and missed moments. The stress builds, your focus slips, and suddenly you're editing photos that scream meh. You know your creative vision is sharper than your current setup allows. What if your gear could actually enhance your mojo instead of blocking it? If that sounds like you, buckle up, because help has finally arrived. Let's get real. That constant stop and wait between flashes? It's murdering your flow. Missed shots, missed emotions, missed money. You're sweating bullets at an outdoor wedding, trying to freeze fast movement in harsh daylight, only for your flash to choke. You're stuck in a loop of burnout. Creative energy drained, client expectations sky high, and your current flash setup? A glorified flashlight. And don't even get us started on the TTL-compatible jokes that don't sync properly half the time. Your photos deserve better. You deserve better. So why are you still settling? Enter the Flashpoint eVOLV 200 Pro TTL Pocket Flash, your new pocket-sized creative sidekick. This isn't just a flash, it's a high-voltage, 200 watts beast disguised as a compact Jedi weapon. We're talking 500 full power pops per charge, recycle times as fast as 0.01 second, and wireless TTL syncing that actually works. Canon, Sony, Nikon, you name it. It's got dual flash heads. The precision of a Speedlight and the glow of a Barebulb, all swappable on the fly. Built-in R2 2.4G system? Yup. HSS at 1/8000th? Check. Basically, it's a studio strobe that fits in your bag, and works like it read your mind. Imagine this. Blazing sun, fast action, no shadows, no stress. With the eVOLV 200 Pro, you're locked in, tight light control, smooth transitions, buttery skin tones, and that wow factor every time you click. No overheating. No mid-session battery panic. No creative limits. Whether you're shooting dreamy portraits, chaotic weddings, or bold fashion, this is your one flash to rule them all. Don't just take our word for it, pros worldwide swear by this little monster. So why not peek under the hood and see why this gear's popping off? Scroll down, hit that link, and light it up. Don't wait till your next client shoot bombs or your flash dies mid-vows. This is the real deal, and stock won't last. Thousands of photographers are already ditching their bulky setups for this sleek, strobe-slaying dynamo. Trusted by the pros. Loved by rebels. Designed for you. Grab your Flashpoint eVOLV 200 Pro TTL now, before it's gone, before your creativity fizzles, before someone else steals your spot at the top. Click that button. Join the R2 revolution. Your next level lighting journey starts right here, because playing it safe? That's not your style.